Hey guys, this video that you're about to watch, this is my first time filming on my Canon camera, so the lighting is kind of jacked. I'm still working with it, trying to figure out how I can get it to where it's not so bright. But this is my first video that I'll be shooting with my Canon, so it's a work in progress. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing y'all my BoxyCharm box. This is the Boxyluxe box. This, I actually signed up for it when it first came out and I was on a wait list until December, but I finally received my box, my December box, and I'm gonna be going through it with you guys. Okay, whenever you first get it, of course, you get your little BoxyCharm pamphlet, and it just explains everything that's in here, and it gives you the value of all of this. I got 9 things in this box. This box is $28 a month. You cannot beat that. Okay, the first thing in this box is the Luxie Complete Facial Set. Let me take it out of the plastic. I love these brushes. I've got a few of these brushes in the regular BoxyCharm box, and I love them. Okay, this is what this looks like. This has 8 brushes in there. It has a Luxie 532 round top blender brush, a 522 tapered highlighting brush, a 680 Pro Precision, a 229 tapered blending, a 213 an eye shading brush, 221 a flat definer, 201 brow and lash spoolie, and a 160 lip brush. So you get all these brushes in this month's box, and that brush set retails for, it's the Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and it is retailed for $65. So already got my money's worth. Okay, the next thing I got is this Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. The benefits of this is it's a body wash plus a buffer. It's dermatologist tested, formulated with extracts of Yuza, Elemis, body wash. Oh, cool! It's like a. Oh, okay. Okay, oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. It smells like coconut and lime mixed, I guess. Okay, and this retails for, let's see, that retails for $20. Okay. And then I got this Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. I was so hoping I got this. Check out the packaging. Ooh, one for his bill already. Oh my gosh, it comes with a little plastic on there. It has a big old mirror, and look at these shades. Oh my god. These are so pretty. I'll do some swatches for you guys on my next video, because I'm definitely going to be doing a look with this. Okay, the Violet Voss palette retails for, let's see, $45. Yeah. Okay, now the next thing I got is this Wondrous Dusk to Dawn. This is a brush and highlighter palette. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. It looks like this. Let me see if I can take my watch off. Okay, this is some city lights. Looks like that. Ooh, that's pretty. It has like a golden undertone. and Havana Lights, a blush, and the two Tuscan Sunrise. That's a blush too. Ooh, that is really pretty. I like that. Okay, this retails for, let's see. Okay, that retails for $26. Okay, next I got this Glam AF wristlet. I think that's what it is. Oh yeah, look. That is so cute to like put your brush, yeah, like your brushes or something. Oh crap, there's something else in here. What is this? USB. Is it like a charging device? Huh. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look into this. Maybe it's on my deal. Hold on. Okay, the little wristlet. Okay, where's that at? Oh yeah, it's a portable charger. And that retails for $22. That is so cool. So it comes with like a little rechargeable thing. It comes with your USB to charge it, and it comes with this little wristlet. That is awesome. And that is so cute to like if you're traveling, just put your makeup or throw your blush or your brushes in there or something. I like it. It's dope. Okay. The next thing is Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, let's see. Ooh, looks like that. Let's see. I can't get it off. Oh. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Ooh, I like the way it feels though. Not bad. Okay, so we got some Pro Collagen anti-wrinkle cream, and that retails for $89. Whoa. Wow. Awesome. Okay. Then we have some lash pomade. This is in the shade Black. Lorac Pro is the brand. And it looks like this. I thought it was mascara, but it says it's lash pomade. Oh. Okay, it is mascara, lash. I'm thinking of eyebrows. Okay, mascara in the shade Black. My bad. Okay, and that retails for $24. Nice. And then I got some Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. This is in shade Strike Gold. Looks like this. Ooh, how pretty. Like a rosy gold undertone. I don't know if you really see that. That's not too good of a swatch. But it smells really good. Okay, so I got that. And that is $20. Retail for $20. And then I got, this is the last thing. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a ceramic mini straightener. How cute! I wonder if I can open it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay. It comes in like a little carrying case. And that looks like Oh my god. This is the cutest ever. Look how little that is. Like your little baby hairs in the front. Or, ooh, I bet this would give a cute curl. That is so adorable. Okay, and that retails for... Okay, that retails for $75. Whoa. So, because I'm horrible at math, I have to get my own calculator. And let's just see how much this box retails for. I love everything in it. I was so excited to get this, and I was so glad that I got the December one too. Guys, this box retails for $386, and I paid $28. $28 a month. That is not bad. The ones that are your regular subscription for $21 a month, they're always well over like 150 bucks. And I get bomb stuff in there. Like, it's all name brand. Like, I hated Ipsy. I'll never subscribe to Ipsy, but I'm so glad I went back, or I tried this Boxyluxe and Boxytron. Okay, you also get some coupons on the back. You get one for the Tarte. I believe this was for the eye cream, yeah, or the facial cream, and then you get one for the brand for your hair straightener. You get 30% off with them, you get 15% off with the facial cream, and you get 10% off with Tarte. So, dude, if y'all want to get some high-end products for cheap, $28, that's cheap. I highly recommend this subscription. This is awesome, dude. I love it. I'm so glad I subscribed to it. And I wasn't going to do the Boxyluxe box, but I'm so glad I did. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. If you would like my referral code, I will definitely give it to you if you want to sign up for this. Or even just the $21 Boxytron subscription a month. That's bomb too. My December box coming in hopefully here pretty soon. And I'll do a video on that and show y'all everything I got in that box. But alright guys, thanks for watching.